Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today we are learning ayah number 65 of Surah Al-Maida and onwards. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم ولو أن أهل الكتاب آمنوا واتقوا لكفرنا عنهم ومخرج واو circle in your left foot help on your jaws the sound is short low 2 counts long. This is lean, so make it soft and make it 2 counts long. And Hamza is very sharp. Papa top and jaws attach it noon. Noon will get sipa of gunna. And this gunna is akmal, so keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. Na, Papa top on your jaws. The sound is short. Hamza is very sharp. Papa top and jaws attach it ha. Ha will get sipa of rahawa. The sound will flow of ha. Lal for fatha open jaws attached with lam. Lam will get sipa of tawassut. That tawassut is medium flow of sound. T for kasra give e sound. Ta 2 counts long. B for kasra give e sound. 2 counts long. Ma for fatha open jaws. Nu for dhamma circle lips make it 2 counts long. What makhraj of waw circle in your lips for fatha open jaws attached with ta. Ta will get sipa of shita. What and then for fatha open your jaws, the sound is short. Ta, qaw. This is lean. Make off heavy first, and then make it long and soft. Qaw. La for fatha open jaws. Kaf. Kaf is light for fatha open jaws attached. Fa. Give hums and rahawa here. Kaf. For fatha open jaws attached. Ra. Ra will get sifa. Tawassut, and tawassut is medium flow of sound. Na 2 counts long. An for fatha open jaws. An should be from your throat nicely. And for fatha open jaws attached. Noon will get sifa of tawassut and ruling it with her. Hum for the circle lips attached with mim. Mim will get sifa of tawassut and tawassut is medium flow of sound and ruling it with her. Say ye for fatha open jaws attached with ya. Whenever ya or ya or wow or with tashdid, they will get number. And number is jump of sound. Say, when you're attaching sin with ya, here you're applying number. Say. And number is when you are raising your voice. Say, ye, and ya with kasra will be normal. Ye, and ya will be soft. Ye, Hamza is very sharp, but open jaws make it 2 counts long. T for kasra give e sound. Him for kasra give e sound attached with mim. Mim will get sipa of tawasut. And ruling it ha. Wa for wow, makhraj of wow circle in your lips. For open jaws. La for open jaws. The sound is short. Hamza is very sharp. For open jaws attached with dal. Dal will get sipa of qalqala. And qalqala is tabaud. Qal for fatha open jaws, make kha heavy. To make any letter heavy, you're not circling your lips, but you are just lifting your tongue up. Qal, give the wasat on loom. Lam, na, for fatha, for long, fatha make 2 counts long. Hum, for dhamma circle your lips attach it. Mim, you will get sipa of the wasat and ruling it with her. Jen, jim should be very shidda, like there should not be any flow of sound or breath, otherwise jim will sound like ch. There should not be ch sound in jim. It's a jan, and give gunna akmala here on noon. So make this, keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. Na, 2 counts long. Teen, for kasra give e sound, then attach it. Noon, noon will get sifa of gunna. This gunna is akmal. So keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. Na, for fatha open jaws. Aim. Give tawassut on mim because you are giving sukoon because of this waqt. And this temporary sukoon, which you have given because of this waqt, this temporary sukoon has changed this 2 counts long vowel into 4. This is called madarat sukoon. نعيم. ومخرج of واو circling your lips for فتح open jaws. لو. This is lean, make it soft and make it 2 counts long. Whenever واو or ya are with sukoon and there is fatha before it, then you make them long, 2 counts long, and you keep them soft. This is wowlin and this is yalin. Wowlin, yalin. So this is vowelin, so make it 2 counts long and soft. And Hamza is very sharp of a top and jaws attach it. No, no, gets a part of Akmal Gunna, so keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. Na for top and jaws. Home for the circle lips attach it. Me, will gets a part of Tawasut and ruling it with her. Hamza is very sharp. Qaf is heavy, make it 2 counts long. Mut. This is not any more long because this meme is directly attached with this ta. Mut and ta will get shift off. Shidda and shidda is no flow of sound whatsoever. Muttau. This is lean, make it soft and 2 counts long. Look, this is wow lean. Wow lean. Ra. Whenever ra is with fatha or dhamma, it is long. It is heavy, but here it is long too because this is. Look, this is alif, complete alif. So this is mad tabi'i here. Ra, ta, for fatha open jaws. Well, for waws, the makhraj of waw is circle in your lips. So fatha open jaws attached. Lam, lam, and gets it after wasud. Well, Hamza is very sharp. Focus, give E sound. And here is ikhfa. This ikhfa is light because jim is among light letters. So keep your tongue straight. To create this ikhfa, you have to keep your tongue straight. N, G, 2 counts long. La, for fatha open jaws. Wa, makhraj of waw circling your lips. For fatha open jaws, the sound is short. Wa, ma, mad, munfasil jaiz, make it 4 counts long. Circle your lips on Hamza, make Hamza very sharp. As you will touch ikhfa, your lips should be in a straight position because za is among light letters. So here you are creating light ikhfa. Z for kasra give E sound. La for fatha open jaws, the sound is short. E for kasra give E sound and Hamza is very sharp here. Lai. This is lean, yaleen. Look, this is yaleen. So make it soft and make it 2 counts long. Him, idgham shafawi or idgham mutamasilain. So keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. Him, miru. For kasra, give E sound, then attach with ra. This is idgham without punna. So you are not keeping the sound in your nose at all. No stopping sound in your nose. Mir, mir, and kasra is light here, and ra is heavy. So be very careful saying this. Mir, rob. For fatha open jaws attached ba, will get sif of shidda. For kasra give E sound B. Him. For kasra give E sound attached me will get sif of tawassut and ruling it her. La for fatha open jaws. A Hamza is very sharp. Ka for fatha open jaws. Lu 2 counts long for dhamma circle your lips. Whenever you see dhamma, you're circling your lips nicely. Mia for kasra give E sound. This ikhfa is light because fa is among light letters. So keep the sound in your nose and keep your tongue straight to make this light, make ikhfa light. Mia, fow, for fatha open jaws, attach it wow. This is lean, make it soft and make it 2 counts long. And give hams on fa. Fow, qaf is comparatively here, comparatively light here. Why? Because it has kasra. Qi, him, for kasra give E sound attached with me, we will get sifa of tawassut and ruling it with her. Wa, makhraj of waw, circling your lips, fatha open jaws, the sound is short. Nya, this for kasra give E sound and create light ikhfa because ta is among light letters. Nya, tah, for fatha open jaws attached. Ha will get sifa of roqa and it has hams. Tah, ti for kasra give E sound Oh, Hamza is very sharp. For fatha open jaws attached to raw. Raw will be heavy because there is fatha before it, and raw will get sif of tawassut, and tawassut is medium flow sound. Ju for Dhamma circle ellipse, the sound is short. Li for kasra give E sound. Him for kasra give E sound attached meme, we will get sif of tawassut, and ruling is her when you are stopping here. If you are not stopping here, then there will be idgham mutamathilain or idgham baghunna. No, this is idgham mutamathilain or idgham shafawi. Sorry, it's idgham shafawi. If you are not, you are going to wasl here. If you are stopping here, you are just giving tawasut and idhar. Him. So we are stopping here. Now we are starting here. Min for kasra give E sound attached with noon. Noon will get sifa tawassut and ruling it with her. Hum for the circle ellipse attached with meme. Meme will get sifa tawassut and ruling it with her. For the circle ellipse attached with meme. As you will touch meme, your lips should be in a straight position. Give gunna. This gunna is akmal, so keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. Ma patha will be short. Tum idgham with gunna, so keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. Muqa for dhamma circle ellipse attached with qaf. Qaf will get sifa of qalqala, and qalqala is tabaud. Muqa ta is very sharp for fatha open jaws. The sound is short. Sli makes sod heavy. To make any letter heavy, you are not circling your lips, but you are just lifting your tongue up. Sli da. When we stop, we change this ta marbuta circle ta into ha. Da. Wa for wow circle ellipse. For fatha open jaws, the sound is short. Ka for fatha open jaws, the sound is short. Thi to count long. Rum for dhamma circle ellipse attached with meme. This is idgham with gunna, so keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. Rum min. Then noon will get sifat tawassut and ruling it with her. For the circle ellipse attached with meme. As you will touch meme, your lips should be in a straight position, and because it's her ruling is tawassut. Se ruling is tawassut, and sifa is hidha. Sa mad muttasil wajib makes 4 counts long. For fatha open jaws, the sound is very sharp for hamza. This hamza should not merge into this mad letter. It has very different like position. So sa sa ma, 2 counts long. Yeah, keep yeah soft. You're lifting your tongue up to touch upper palate, but you're not touching it. That is making yeah very soft. And with ein should be from your throat, and it will get tawassut. Yeah, ma for fatha open jaws. Loon for tawassut, because you are giving sukoon on noon because of this waqf. This temporary sukoon has changed this 2 counts long vowel into 4. This is madarat, this sukoon. Yeah, mad muttasil wajib. I Hamza is very sharp up top on jaws attached with ya. Ya will get sifa up number. As you will touch, you are when you are attaching Hamza with ya, here you are applying number, and number is jump off sound. I you for the circle ellipse, the sound is short. How for fatha open jaws attached with ra will get sifa off. The wasut, and it will be heavy because there is fatha on ra. Ra or for fatha open jaws. Su for the circle ellipse, make it 2 counts long. Lu for the circle ellipse, the sound is short. I'm sorry. Bal for fatha open jaws attached with lam. Lam gets if of the wasut little. Bal for kasra with e sound attached with ghain. Ghain will get sifa of rokhawa, and it will be heavy. Liu ma 4 counts long. For the circle ellipse, and make ikhfa here. This ikhfa is light, so keep this sound in your nose and keep your tongue straight to make this ikhfa light. Z for kasra give E sound. La for fatha upon jaws. E for kasra give E sound. Lay 2 counts long. Ka for fatha upon jaws. Mir for kasra give E sound and then attach a raw. Raw will be heavy because there is fatha. Sorry, you're giving it will be heavy. Mir rab فتحة open jaws attached ba. Ba will get sifa of shidda. Rab beak for kasra give e sound attached. Kaf. Kaf will get sifa of hums and have this flow of breath when you are giving sukoon here because of the ba. When it will get sukoon, then it will get hums. Beak. But if it is mutaharika, it will not get hums. For wow, circle your lips, fatha open jaws. Il for kasra give e sound attached with lam. This is idgham without gunna, so you are not. This is idgham, but without gunna, so you are not keeping the sound in your nose at all. Illam for fatha open jaws attached with mim. You will get sifa of tawassut and ruling is idhar. Taf. Ta is very sharp for fatha open jaws attached with fa. Fa will get sifa of hums and rakhawa. تفعل Ain should be from your throat for fatha open jaws attached with lam. Lam will get sifa of tawassut. Fa give hams for fa for fatha open jaws. Ma 2 counts long. Bal for fatha open jaws attached with lam. Lam will get sifa of tawassut and then attached with ghain. Ghain will get sifa of raqawa and ghain is heavy too. Ballagta for fatha open jaws. Iri for kasra gives e sound. Sa 2 counts long. La for fatha open jaws. Ta for fatha open jaws attached with ha will get sifa of raqawa because of the waqf you're giving because of the waqf. Because of the sukoon you're giving because of the waqf. Well, for makhraj of all, circling your lips, fatha open jaws attached lam. Now and gets it out. Tawasut, well, 2 counts long. Who for the circle your lips? Yeah, for fatha open jaws attached ain. Ain will get it up. Tawasut, ain should be from your throat. Si for kasra give e sound, sound is heavy. Mu for the circle your lips. Ka for fatha open jaws. Mi for kasra give e sound. Nan. This is akmal gunna, so keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. Nas. Because of the waqf, you're giving sukoon. This temporary sukoon has turned this 2 counts long vowel into 4. This is called madarat sukoon. In for kasra give e sound attached. No, you'll get sipa. Gunna, this gunna is akmal, so keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. Now, the lafz jalala will be heavy because there is fatha before it. And then Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala's name is always long. La, ha, for fatha open jaws. La, 2 counts long. Yeah, for fatha open jaws attached with ha. Ha will get sifa of rakhawa. Yeah. Deal for kasra give sound attached with lam. Lam will get sifa of tawassut. And tawassut is medium flow of sound. Qaf is heavy. This is lean. So you're making soft and make it 2 counts long. Mal for fatha upon jaws attached with lam. Lam will get sifa of tawassut. The tawassut is medium flow of sound. Ka 2 counts long and ka make kaf light. Fi for kasra give e sound. Reen. Because of the waqf you're giving sukoon here, this temporary sukoon has turned this 2 counts long vowel into 4. This is madarat sukoon. ولو أن أهل الكتاب آمنوا واتقوا لكفرنا عنهم سيئاتهم ولأدخلناهم جنات النعيم ولو أنهم أقاموا التوراة والإنجيل وما أنزل إليهم من ربهم لأكلوا من فوقهم ومن تحت أرجلهم منهم أمة مقتصدة وكثير منهم ساء ما يعملون يا أيها الرسول بلغ ما أنزل إليك من ربك وإن لم تفعل فما بلغت رسالته وإن لم تفعل فما بلغت رسالته والله يعصمك من الناس إن الله لا يهدي القوم الكافرين سبحانك اللهم ربنا وبحمدك أشهد أن لا إله إلا أنت أستغفرك وأتوب إليك السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته